Hello to everyone. I hope everything is going well for you and that you are working with the data. Today, I will show you how to handle a multiple response problem in the data collected by the ODK software. This is a common issue. If you need my assistance, please click the link below, which will take you to my webpage. I'm assuming you have already properly merged your ODK Excels into one big Excel before we export the data into the STATA software. Please let me know if you want to know how to merge the ODK Excel documents. I'll put together a tutorial in that area. Today we will use STATA software with which you should be familiar. Let me quickly show you how to import an Excel sheet into STATA. To begin, open STATA, select File from the menu and click Import Excel Sheet. Then browse your Excel sheet from your PC. Don't forget to click Import first row as a row variable. Then click OK and your Excel file will be imported. I have already prepared a dataset to show how a multiple variable response question will be managed, with which you will find when you analyze a dataset collected with the excellent ODK software. Okay, now let's see our variables. Click the Browse icon in the toolbar or in your Do file whenever you prefer. As you can see, the multiple response variables are not in the format we need. Keep in mind that one cell should contain one response to properly analyze it. Let me demonstrate by comparing the frequency of multiple choice and single answer questions. Table 1 shows that we can easily report the number 1 is male, which is 46.7%, and 2 is female, which is 53.4%. Because we label them that way in the ODK and the questionnaire. Now, let's see the frequency of multiple responses to question 30. It's difficult to know the exact number of responses for each choices. Okay, now let's see how to deal with multiple response problem. Keep in mind that each dataset has its own distinct problem, and we need to customize this method accordingly. Part 2 of this video shows how to deal with the slightly different problem of the multiple responses. If this method doesn't work with your data set, please watch part 2 of this video or contact me via the link provided below. This is a do file. Let's do it step by step. First, we have to split the choices. After using the split command, use the command mrtab or mrtab to sort the responses produced by the split command. These variables listed in the split command are used in the mrtab, and this command generates other variables that we will use to label our multiple choices. As you can see, 0 option has 15% frequency, and counting 0 in the variable generated by mrtab command yields the same number of people who answer none or 0. Therefore, we are on the right track. Let's now record and label our new variable resulting from the multiple choices. As you can see, the frequency of each household item is well known and easily reported. When I label them, I use the option's name, but you can also label question name with the choices. For example, instead of saying livestock, you can label, do you have livestock in this household? You can label the variable as you prefer, but be careful not to change the numbers in the meaning of the variable. We have come to the end of the session. You can go back and watch the steps in the video. Remember that everything seems difficult at the beginning. I wish you good luck with your dataset cleaning and analysis. Have a great day.